make pancakes. Our first one is 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or oil. This is the clouds, skies, this is the bear, also this is the lovely flower, and sample the love, we use it to cutter, also the heart, we also use it to cutter. Okay now, thank you for listening. I hope you try it and enjoy it. So,